I am the newest to the family, for those of you who haven't met me.
Who are you?
Hey, Herman just said that earlier today, okay? All right, I'm the new nephew-in-law, and the good news is, for all of you young people here, I'm a newlywed, and my lovely bride's over here. 8 months we've been married, and she still keeps me. And I got to tell you the story about Herman, who I met a short while ago. And by the way, I have to say this with no offense to anybody here, but I'm so happy to be in the bottom 50% age-wise. Because at work, I'm in like the top 1% age-wise. So it's just nice to be here. And I just want to tell you the story about how I first met Herman. And Brooke has built me up to say, you know, I have this wonderful uncle, Herman, who is older than my dad, and I thought her dad was older than Methuselah, and he was actually older. So we were in the Boston area, and they came up to visit, and this was in the summer. Was that last year already? Mm-hmm. And so they were staying down at the hotel just down from where Brooke's sister lives in Arlington, about a half a mile, 3/4 of a mile walk, and we went out to the store to get some food, and on our way back, we're coming up Massachusetts Avenue in Boston, actually in Arlington, heading back home. And here's these two young birds walking at a speed faster than we could drive down Mass Avenue. And we recognized them, rolled down the window, and said, "Hey, how you doing?" They just came up and they accepted me, even though they didn't know at the time I was a right-wing Republican, which is what they heard at the wedding, which wasn't true. And this weekend they were very, very happy to hear that that wasn't true. Thank God I'm still in the family. But the first thing is we drove home and they continued to walk, and about 20 minutes later they showed up at the house, and he says, "Come on, young man, let's walk." I said, "Okay, how far can this guy go?" He's already walked 3/4 of a mile. Well, about 3/4 of a mile later, I'm dragging back. I said, "Come on, Herman, we got to go back. We're lost. We're never going to get back." And the fact of the matter was, I was very impressed with him. And we did walk this long walk. And by the way, I'm kind of a wussy when it comes to cold weather. It was a little cool even then. And I said, "I can't stay out here too long. I'm going to die of exposure." It was under 70. You know, I live in Houston. It was under 70. And we walked. We had a great talk and a wonderful opportunity to get to know each other. And I got to tell you what, I just turned 51 in January. And I say this to Hermie all the time: if I can be like him at 55, then I feel like my life has been blessed. And it's been an awesome opportunity to join this family, be a part of tremendous friends and folks that he knows. And I'm very, very happy to be able to come here from Houston and be here to celebrate his 95th. And I'm with everybody else. Let's hope we're here again for his 100th birthday party.